I've walked through valleys low, I've climbed through mountains high, but nothing in this world can satisfy my life. I'm holding to your word, the truth my soul adores, that you are coming soon to open heaven's door.
Every tear you will wipe away,
Every pain will cease one day,
and until that moment comes, I'll say,
I don't need silver or gold, just the promise told of our soon coming King.
Yahushua HaMashiach, the greatest gift I'll ever know.
It's to reign with you forever. I don't need silver or gold, just the promise that was told. This world may chase its treasures, but they all fade with time. My hope is in your kingdom, eternal and divine. Your love has been my shelter, your truth my guiding light. I'm waiting for that trumpet, for glory in your sight. Every storm you have carried me, every chain you have set me free, and until the heavens open wide, I'll sing. I don't need silver or gold, just the promise told of our soon coming King. Yahushua HaMashiach,
the greatest gift I'll ever know,
is to reign with you forever. I don't need silver or gold, just the promise that was told. Oh, your kingdom is my treasure, your presence is my home. Yahushua, I am waiting, I am holding on. No riches of this world could ever take your throne, 'cause you are all I need. You are all I need.
I don't need silver or gold, just the promise told of our soon coming King, Yahushua HaMashiach.
The greatest gift is to reign with you forever. I don't need
Silver or gold,
just the promise that was
you're
told.
my treasure.